Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, fellow cats. Thank you for being here. It's King Cat, and we got to make sure we got audio on. So let's check and see that we got everything going. We got to make sure our audio mic is selected. Properties, because before I've had to change it a little bit, and we want to make sure we're up and we're loaded. Use device, yes. M-track, okay. Input, yes. So let's make sure we've got audio. I do not see it right now, and I'm looking. Let me go over here. There it is. It's up and running. So, hey, good morning. Thank you for being with us here on the bottom. And it's time for King Cat, because that's where we are, on the bottom. So let's get over there and stop delaying. We'll be right back with me. But for now, let's let King Cat take over. And Sofi will be green again, is what we're hoping for. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's King Cat Tyler, and I am here. And I just want you to know I'm very grateful for your being here. And will history repeat itself? I sure think so. So that's my title for today. I want to thank you for being here with me. And I am hearing my audio coming over my here, so I might be getting some feedback loop. Let me know, please. I appreciate it if you could. And I'm going to get right on this. Let's get back to the display page and put it right up underneath me, just like so. And then when we go like this, and I'm going to have to make sure I downsize myself so I'm not right here in the middle of everything. There we go. Get me up here where I'm out of the way. And I'm going to move my computer forward a little bit here. Move some things around. Move a few things around. And not be cluttered up here. And let's get this going. We got to get some action going here, right here and now. So we're going to pull up this screen right here. If there are any technical difficulties, let me know. I'm going to get over here to my live streaming page, though. Click Done, and I'm going to make a copy of this. We're going to move it over on this screen, boo, so I can see everybody's comments as they come in. And then we can look over here what's going on with Sofi. And it's at the bottom is my call. That's why I'm here. I want to thank you, Shaniza. Yes, hello. Yes, thank you for being here. Good morning to all cats. I want to thank you for being here. I'm going to make sure and tell you that the reason I'm here now, and when you see that notification, is because we're usually at the bottom, and that's why I decided to come up right now, because this looks very much like the bottom to me. 4 cents down on the day is a good higher low than what we had on Friday. And in case you didn't know, look over here at the low on Friday, folks, 806. So we got us a nice 19-cent gain off of that low. And that's a coincidental number, because looking back to history, I've seen that too on a very similar day. So if I go back to the historical chart, I can show you where that 19-cent gain came. And that happened to be right after one of the takedowns. So this is a gain off of the low that we really, really have to feel good about. So congratulations to all of you that are in here with me and right now coming aboard at this price, because I think this is a very good new low for today. And it's been a very interesting day on the market. If you go over here to the finance homepage to try and take a look, see what they're calling, and you can see the futures were all up green. And right here it says NVIDIA faces not so subtle risk of China. All right. So that's the headline on the Yahoo, and you can see the Dow up nice, has been trickling back down here a little bit towards lunch, and the NASDAQ too. But all of them look good and strong, and this is no surprise to me after last Thursday's move that was very suspicious looking to me. And so anyway, here's basically they got a report on the Jackson Hole roundup and Fed Chairman Powell. And anyway, make a long story short, it looks good for us today. I think we're in a very good position. I want to thank you for being here. Let me know if there any audio situations going on here. I haven't normally heard myself over my speakers, and I got some things hooked up here, and I'm not going to plug in my main because I know that'll cause us a little problem. But I am very encouraged today. We go down here to see what's going on in the headliners, and there really isn't. If you're looking here, Warren Buffett bets his fortune on one of 9 can't-lose stocks. We'd like to see that one underneath right here. See us right there. Wouldn't that be cool? See Sofi there under that headline, and it could easily happen, because he's no idiot. He'll keep looking at this growth of this stock. And it says here, NVIDIA's been upgraded. CrowdStrike downgraded. Wall Street's top analyst calls. All right. Don't know why they'd be doing that, but obviously NVIDIA's been doing well since it's news that it beat the street and had a good earnings call, and I guess good forward guidance. So if anybody's got any others that they've got their eyes on, we're going to look at some that we've been looking at in the past here, and one of them is RBX, and that's but past that one, RBX, RBT, yeah, RBT, yep. There we go. Let's go see what it's doing today. Okay, not much. We got some others we're going to be looking at. A lot of people have been throwing some out here. We're going to look at NU today. That was a prospect. And thank you for being here. We see we've got 4 that have climbed aboard. We don't thank you for being here. And the reason I came up when I did is because I think we're at the bottom on SOFI. I think with that 824 price is very nice to see us over where we are over the last low on Friday. So congratulations. We will be green by the end of the day, is my perception here. And folks, I don't know if you look, but we've got some good moves across the board, all the way across the board. All indexes green and looking sort of positive here. And my thinking is that this price, 824, I just put up a short video stating that I thought we were going to be at the short there, that price, and told you I'd be coming on live soon. So some of you may have seen that short video. I appreciate it if you did pop on there. And it was at this price right where we are. So that's where I was presuming we would be for the low. And if it falls a little bit lower here right during the lunchtime, that wouldn't surprise me. From 11:15 to 12:15, 12:30 has been the rundown times, and so we'll be surprised to see a little bit more retraction, but not much here at all. It looks very, very firm here with this volume where we are. And I want to mention too that this volume level, that where we are now, is very much average for where we have been, and this is good. We don't need to see big piling in here. We just need to see a nice, steady, average volume continuing to keep the steady, constant pressure on these shorts. And that's what we do. That's what this stock has been doing to them for the last year, really. If you go back here and you take a look at these longer-term charts, and by the way, right here, now that we're at the bottom, I'm coming in here on the 1 day, and I want you to see, but look at this 3-month chart in comparison, right? Look at this right